pala baha ang magpapalubog sa ating bayan, kundi kasakiman. Walang po ang bulat.
Ang korupsyon sa flood control ng Pilipinas ay isang seryosong problema na nagdudulot ng malaking pinsala sa mga komunidad. Maraming proyekto sa overpriced, hindi maayos ang pagkakagawa, naantala o hindi man lang natapos, kahit na mainailan na punto ang gobyerno. Dahil dito, patuloy na naranasan ng mamayan ang patinding pagbaha na sumisira sa mga tahanan, kabuhayan at naglalaga ng panganib sa buhay ng tao. Ipinapakita nito ang corruption ay hindi lamang issue ng pera, kundi issue rin ng kaligtasan, tiwala ng pamahalaan at kapakanan ng mamayan.
Corruption po, laging ganyan yung issue. Corruption.
Pinakakorap na gobyerno sa mundo.
My emotional response to the episode was a mix of frustration and sadness. The part that struck me the most was when residents shared how flooding keeps destroying their homes, yet the government funds meet to protect them were allegedly misused. I felt upset because corruption directly puts people's safety at risk. It also made me reflect on how ordinary citizens suffer most for these failures. Lesson I learned. So this episode taught me that transparency and accountability in government projects are very important. I learned that even one unfinished or poorly planned flood control project can affect thousands of people, and also remind me that Filipinos must remain informed, ask questions, and pay attention to how money is used. So, in conclusion, the KMGS episode reminds us that corruption has real-life consequences. Flooding becomes worse when public funds are not used properly. As citizens, we should stay aware, support honest leaders, and continue to demand better governance. Hopefully, issues like this will push our government to improve infrastructure for safety of everyone.
Di matatapos siguro